Across the world, ordinary moments conceal extraordinary talents from blind navigators who echolocate and from species shaping their surroundings in surprising ways. Geckos cling to ceilings with millions of microscopic hairs, a mechanism inspiring researchers to design new dry adhesives. Pistol shrimp unleash a sonic bubble that stuns prey and momentarily heats water to blistering temperatures. Bombardier beetles mix chemical blasts in their abdomens, producing boiling sprays that deter predators and spark bio-inspired spray tech. Human echolocation and collective animal intelligence show how perception and teamwork can transform ordinary senses into remarkable talents.